Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look, which is just a very soft, glittery glam look. I absolutely love the way that this turned out, and I think it's just so soft and beautiful and yet glam. If you guys want to see how I got this look, and if you want to get ready with me, let's go. Alright guys, so for today's foundation, I have on the Hourglass Vanish foundation in beige, and I have my Smashbox concealer. I'm going to take my Lay Low paint pot, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, if you guys celebrate Christmas, or that you had a nice holiday with your loved ones. I think this video is going to be going up after New Year, so Happy New Year! So today I want like a soft glittery eye, and I thought to use the Huda Beauty Nude palette, Nude palette. And I'm going to start off by first taking this top shade here, and I'm going to use that with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to place that on my lid to set my primer. I'm going to take this other shade here, and again using the same brush, I'm going to pop that into the crease. I'm going to take this shade here and this shade, and again I'm going to just pop that in the crease. We're going to use it to define the lid. I'm going to take a smaller, more precise brush, and I'm going to take this shade here just to deepen the crease a little bit. For my lid, I'm going to be taking this Tarte glitter in Sweet Life, and I'm just going to apply it directly onto the lid. Alright guys, so I'm going to take a flat brush, and I am going to take this product directly onto the brush, and I'm going to use it to basically cut the crease and really make sure that I have a smooth application. I'm now going to go back into that deep brown shade that we used, and with the same small detailed brush, and I'm going to just lightly buff around the edge. Alright guys, I'm now going to go in with either a brown, no, I'm going to go black. I'm going to go in with a black gel liner. I'm going to do a wing, and then we'll come back to finish this look. Alright guys, so I'm going to take this Fenty Rose Gold liner, and I'm going to use that in my waterline. For my bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and use my Gucci bronzer in the shade number 4. I am going to take my Touche Eclat 3D All Over Face Glow Powder, and then do a light dusting of this. I just broke my Melt Cosmetics Nevermore blush, but I'm just going to use this anyway, but I won't be able to keep this. Alright guys, so for my lips, I took Lisa Aldridge Beauty Lip Pencil and Beauty Lip Gloss, and that is what I'm wearing on my lips. This is what the look turned out to be. And to be honest with you guys, it's exactly what I wanted. I really thought that I would have more of a brown cut crease, but I really like the way that this turned out, and the simplicity of the look, the softness, and like the glam piece to this look is exactly what I wanted today, and I have to say I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week, and make sure to thumbs up this video because it does help my channel. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me. I hope that you are having a great holiday season, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.